I bet you, well, some of you may know, but some of you didn't know there's a volcano in Thailand. It's extinct, and we're on top of it right now. And it's called the Khao Phanom Rung volcano, and it's in Buri Ram, northeast Thailand. And there's the crater. If you think I'm lying, Google it. Yeah, it's extinct, so from what I know, there's no chances of it going boom. Bridge is a bit wobbly. There's also a temple here, which is quite nice. We'll go to that in a bit. I've been here before, didn't really get to make a video. It was 3 years ago before COVID. But even I was surprised to learn that there was a volcano, or an extinct volcano in Thailand. And I had to come and see it because I find volcanoes interesting, and this was the first one I've ever been to. So hopefully next time we can find a volcano in the world where it's active, but not fully active, just, you know, spouting little bits of smoke or whatever. And if you look and see the sign saying Khao Phanom volcano, they should say extinct. You can actually see the temple that we're going to go to. Just up there, you can see the head of the Buddha. There. I don't know what is further up there, but should we go and have a look? Alright, let's go and have a look. Really wobbly bridge. But again, I'm not too bothered. The cameraman is pretty scared. I forgot what you guys wanted to hold him and say, Actually, the last time I was here, someone was doing a wedding shoot just over there. The bridal dress and the guy was in his blacks. Apparently there's a waterfall here. The cameraman tells me there's a waterfall here. So we have to find a waterfall as well. Oh yeah, the butterflies here, like this big. There's a tiny one here. Okay, I can't read Thai, but what does that say, cameraman? Camera woman. What does it say? Volcano. Because I can see on the picture there's a volcano, but the picture of a volcano here is spouting lava, so that's not good. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna either end up at the temple first, or the waterfall. We'll find out either way in the next clip. Oh, I have to show you this as well. Look at that. Little dots on the bench. But when you touch the little dots, they're actually baby spiders. I'm not scared of them. As long as they're not, like, you know, some dangerous species. Which I don't know if they are or not. But anyway, let's go on to the volcano, I mean the waterfall or the temple. And we just found this baby here. Isn't the baby cute? Huh? Is the baby cute? Where does the baby want to go? Waterfall? Poopa? Waterfall? Or what? What?
No.
Okay. Right, let's go. Here we are, at the top of the mountain. With the temple.
Look, waterfall.
Oh, so there is a waterfall. But just don't know where it is. Maybe there hasn't been enough rain. That'd be a lie, because I've seen this place having enough rain to cause floods. So there should be a waterfall somewhere. Let's look at the temple first. And the view from the temple. Just stopped to get a few things to eat, or snacks to have. And some much needed water, because it is pretty warm. And this is the view from atop of the mountain, or the volcano, the extinct volcano. It's fresh up here. The air is fresh. You can probably see a few other things if you know a little bit about Buri Ram. You've got the MotoGP circuit, International MotoGP circuit, and you've also got the Buri Ram football stadium there, the GP circuit, is just there, next to it. We were there a few moments ago before we came here because I wanted to get the football shirt. Been talking about it for years, never got a chance. I have this time. Let's take you to the actual big Buddha on top of the mountain. And there is the majestic big Buddha on top of the mountain. Seeing it on camera probably doesn't do it justice, but it's pretty tall. And again, in Thailand they have a lot of temples with big Buddhas on top of mountains. But every one of them is unique. And yeah, it has its own style, I suppose, which is what I see. I'm sure there's other things that you can mention if you know more about them. Sorry, I'm just taking my shoes off at the same time, so you must not enter without removing your shoes. And everyone coming here to get blessings by giving merit. And at the same time, it's very peaceful. With a view looking down on Buri Ram city. Small clip of the temple and the extinct volcano in Buri Ram. It's a short video. Just wanted to show the local area from where we stay in Buri Ram when we come. And yeah, glad I came here again. We'll still try to find the waterfall. If not, have a great day. See you again.
แต่มันเคลื่อนได้นะอยู่เตาได้น่ะนะอ๋อมันจิต I think it's toy มันเหมือนเตาแหละแต่บางทีมันก็ยาว